Banana. Okay, now that you got that, we're just gonna make some fruit salad. So stir it all up, make a circle with your hips. Stir it up. This is called a paarapu. Keep on stirring. Ready for the stage and break. Everybody, give everybody up there. Round of applause. They're gonna start.
Spilled your drink all over me.
What?
Spilled your drink all over me.
Forget the banana and the papaya.
Drink it!
Faster! Here we go. Keep going. This is awesome. Very good Facebook pictures right now. We're smiling.
He's like, yeah.
Facebook loves you. Okay, can we just get the 2 graduates that this party is for? Everybody.